asuntoskäyttäjä Vallisilta.
Today it's the 21st of June 2022 and we have Vallikallionkuja, Valbergskone one staircase here in Leppävaara, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. Capacity is 4 persons and 305 grams. One thing after we have written it, I'd like to check the first floor to check the alarm bell if it's still original. This was built in 1985, but this has the arrangement higher up.
Ah, yeah.
This is the most interesting one in this building then.
Yeah.
And built in early 1985, turned 25 is older than 2020, and since we have finish on the door here. And it's number SH63625. It's going to be inspected. Yeah, this is too late.
Yeah.
4 years late. 2 rides.
Inspected, maintained by Kone.
I love the colors here, it's like milk chocolate and white chocolate.
Yeah.
And in the second SMV, the buttons are arranged in the lower way, but this is the most interesting one in the building as it has this very rare arrangement. Thank you very much for watching. That's it. Oh,
That's it.